Good morning student. Today we will discuss about the periodic table and the valency. So this is the periodic table. This is incomplete periodic table. The whole periodic table you will study in the higher classes. So there are basically 18 columns in a periodic table. They are known as the groups and they are divided into the 7 rows. They are known as the periods. And keep in mind beta, elements with similar properties are placed in a same group or the same place, and the elements with the different properties are in the different group. For example, you can see sodium and potassium are in the same group because they are similar. Same as nitrogen and phosphorus are in the same group because they are similar. That is why they are kept in the same places. Now come to the valency. Valency is important property of element. It shows the behavior of element in the relation with other. So there is a correlation between valency and element in the position in the periodic table. Now you can study in the table 4.9. First 20 elements are given and their atomic number up to 20. Their symbols are also given and their names are also given. H, helium, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. Beta, in the periodic table all the noble gases are at the bottom. When you will go through the whole periodic table you can notice them. Now the important features of these elements. The number of the top of each element is the number of group. So there are basically 18 groups. 3 to 12 are missing, but don't ignore them. You will study them in higher classes. The number mentioned below the symbol means below the symbol the number is given, that is the atomic number. Already I told hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4 means below the symbol their atomic number is given, and which is very important. Now the valency of first 20 elements. In the periodic table the valency increased steadily from 1 to 4 means valency increased from 1 to 4. So the elements of group 1, 2, 13 and 14 have the same valency, and those groups which are in 15, 16, 17, 18 have the same valency, that is 3 to 1. Keep in mind the group 1, 2 and 3, 4 means 1, 2, 13 and 14 have valency 1, 2, 3, 4 and those groups which are in 15, 16, 17, 18 have valency 3 to 1, 0. On the basis of valency you can find out the formula for binary compounds which we have made in the very first here. So you should know the important features and you should know the valency of first 20 elements. Students, you have to go through these definitions also and these points to remember also.